In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide these blue ticks in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let me explain you something. Each message on WhatsApp has 3 different states, and if we long press on it and then hit Add Info, it will show us the information about 2 of them. The first one is delivered. When you send a message and it was delivered to your recipient, it will be marked with these 2 gray ticks. If your message was read by the recipient, it will be marked with blue ticks. However, there is one more state, it is sent, and it shows 1 gray tick, which means that the message was sent to your recipient without being delivered. And now, guys, let me explain you how we can easily hide that information to our recipient about we have read their messages. To do that, we need to head over to Settings and then just go to Privacy, where if you scroll down a bit, you will find Read Receipts. And now, guys, all we have to do in order to hide blue ticks in WhatsApp is just turn this option off. Just keep in mind that if you turn it off, you won't be able to see blue ticks from other people, and also blue ticks are always enabled in group chats. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.